It's already 1:40 something p.m. And yun na nga, it's our midterms. But di pa ako nakakapag-review, wala pa ako nare-review, wala pa ako nababasa or anything na kailangan kong i-review. Pero marami na akong matapos na vlogs. Napanood na vlog. It's just so awkward to say this super close because it's flowering nga. But yeah, I don't have the time to change na. Wow. I mean, I have a lot of time pero I'm not in the mood because I'm feeling these clothes pa. Because ang tagal na nito sa closet ko. Closet. Feeling. Wait lang, where's the... So, ayan na nga. Tapos na ako maligo. I feel so refreshed. I feel so clean. So, ayun. Re-review na tayo. And then, guess what? Where tayo mag-review? Doon tayo sa kitchen. Kitchen sa labas. Kasi, wala lang. It's more freshy there. Freshy. It's more fresh there. More light. More hangin. And, yeah. I just love there. It's already 5 something. Is this open? Wait, let me see. It's something 5 ganon. And right now, natuwa naman ang mukha ko rito. Ayun na nga, 5 something and I'm still not done yet. I still have 2 weeks or 2 modules that I need to write and it's not that exhausting naman. Basta the rule I have is I need to finish before 8 p.m. Because in 8 p.m. I will review na. I will study na. Why my hair like this? So ayun. Come with me. My babies are there already. Well, you're pretty. Hi guys, just wake up and naligo agad ako kasi pagkagising ko. Yes, I have my red days now. Kaya nga ako nagising because of that. Wow. And I'm currently putting oil in my head, in my scalp, I mean. So early for me. Maligo. It's like 6 pa lang. And I'm not sanay. Kasi mostly I go ligo like for 1 p.m. ganon. Early na is 8 pagpapasok. Hey guys. So, ayun. It's already 8:40 and I'm currently reviewing pa. I did not review at all siguro. Ewan ko, I'm just reading and I don't know if may pumapasok ba sa utak ko, but I am done reviewing 3 modules. This one, and this one. And I am not sure if I am really reviewing, however, yeah. I'm gonna reread this again while I'm in the biyahe, and also later I will read the other actually this is I need to review 5 module pa, and this is the 2 modules here. This is 4 na pala. This 4 modules. So ayun, this is the 1 module and the 3 ones is on the phone. I did not write them because it's taking my time so clearly. pero I am sure that I can read that again. Wow, what's that? What's on my lip? So, ayun, it's super stressing talaga. Because I don't know if I am really reviewing or studying. I am just reading, and I hope that maybe it will stay in my mind. Yeah. Guys, it's already 8:45 something siguro. Pero paalis pa lang ako kasi may disaster na nangyari. Wait lang. Naiihi ako. Wait. Sobrang dami nangyayari. So, ayun na nga. Paano ako nasabi bakit sobrang dami nangyayari? Kasi, first of all, nawala yung ID ko. Maghanap pa ako ng ID ko. And then, yun na nga. Pagtingin ko, wala pa akong water. Lahat na. Kaya ito ako ngayon. Paalis pa lang. Hey guys, I forgot to take a video earlier. Everything was so fast. Wait lang. I took the exam for 30 minutes because it's so easy. I'm so glad I didn't review that well. So yeah. Now we're going to change our clothes because it's so mabanas, and then we're going to eat, and then we're going to write and review again. Wow. Yun lang. So it's currently 2:44 p.m. and I've decided to lock in right now because we're going to walk later at 4:30. So I need to finish my writing, then go review when I'm done walking. Wow.
Highway with no destination in mind. You were sleeping, lying sideways on your car seat recline. You were smiling as the angels guided you from up above. And I couldn't help but wonder what you were dreaming of. When I told you that I loved you, well, I never would have guessed.
Guys, nakasalubong namin to kanina. Pabalik na siya. Papunta pa lang kami. Ano ba naman ito?
Then well, you know the rest. In that morning, birds were chirping and the grass was wet with dew. There and then, I saw the world from a different point of view.
Hey guys, it's me. It's already 6 something. No oral, no anything. I'm still not done writing my notes, so I need to write them right now again. I'm so sleepy. Guys, I don't know if I'm still studying or I'm just reading it because what do you mean I already studied this part and I only have 4 pages here. I actually don't read it all because I know I just find something that I can easily remember, but when writing I really need to write them all because it feels so kulang if I didn't write them all. Yeah, I guess I'm so crazy, right?
A storm is raging right outside our doors. No, I have never felt a love like this before.
So as far as the At ganito na yung buhok ko. Para akong ano. So as far as you know guys, nagtitipid ako, but I still need Wi-Fi. So yeah, we're here at the Gucci Cafe again.
We have traveled far to Germany and Rome.
Patusok. Nag-curve siya. Nag-curve siya. Yun, may 9 ako dito.
Voltage 9 lang.
Hindi ko alam kung visible pa ba siya or hindi. Pero may 9 ako dyan.